Zelensky faces tension with Trump and Vance in White House meeting. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky hoped to leave the White House after positive talks with Donald Trump, marked by a minerals deal giving the US a stake in Ukraine's future. However, the meeting took a dramatic turn when Trump and Vice President J.D. Vance publicly reprimanded Zelensky for not showing enough gratitude for US support. 1. Tensions with J.D. Vance. The meeting began cordially but escalated when Vance suggested that peace could be reached through diplomacy. Zelensky, referencing Russia's past aggression, dismissed Vance's comment, "What kind of diplomacy are you talking about?" The conversation grew tense, with Vance responding, "The kind that will end the destruction of your country." Zelensky was accused of disrespecting Vance's position, leading to a verbal clash over how to approach the war and ceasefire. 2. Clash over future impact. The tension peaked when Zelensky pointed out that while the US had oceans protecting it, America would eventually feel the repercussions of appeasing Russia. Trump angrily retorted, "Don't tell us what we are going to feel," and accused Zelensky of gambling with millions of lives. Zelensky warned of the long-term consequences if Russia was not checked, while Trump took issue with the moral implications of the war. Trump's stance of pressing for a quick ceasefire with Russia contrasted sharply with Zelensky's call for continued resistance to Russian aggression. 3. Trump's furious response. Later, Zelensky remarked that Ukraine had been alone in the war and expressed gratitude for US aid. Trump fired back, stating, "You haven't been alone. We gave you, through this stupid precedent, $350 billion. Trump framed the war as a burden on American taxpayers. Vance also accused Zelensky of politicizing the conflict by visiting a munitions factory in Pennsylvania, a key battleground state, before the 2020 US election. Zelensky's visit was seen by Republicans as an endorsement of Joe Biden, further fueling the heated exchange. 4. A difficult path forward. Amid the exchange, Zelensky pushed back on what he saw as disrespect from Trump and Vance. The reprimand over his attitude became the focal point of the dispute, with Vance telling Zelensky, "Just say thank you." For Zelensky, whose country faces an existential threat from Russia, this moment was about more than diplomacy, it was about survival. His frustration was clear as he challenged the US leader's approach. However, the atmosphere in the room indicated that the meeting's fallout could complicate future cooperation between Ukraine and the US. This fiery confrontation between Zelensky, Trump, and Vance was a stark reminder of the delicate balance Ukraine faces as it relies on international support while trying to protect its sovereignty. Standing firm could risk further alienating its allies, yet compromising could mean yielding to Russia's aggressive advances.